Extendable aluminum tripod legs with heavy-duty mount head. Sliding 1/4 inch -20 mounting screw. Flexible slow-motion cables for both altitude and azimuth. 45-inch maximum extended height. Weigh capacity of approximately 10 pounds. 32-inch folded height. Top reviews from the United States. Please ignore reviewers who say this doesn't adjust altitude. They're using it wrong. Read the directions for this tripod. You make large changes in altitude by just grabbing your scope and manhandling it up or down. Once you're in the ballpark, the fine adjuster for altitude gives you around 20 to 30 degrees of fine adjustment. If you don't like grabbing your scope and moving it, I support your choice and in that case recommend you get a different tripod. You might be able to mod this thing to machine a handle to it, but just understand that it's fully adjustable in altitude. It is not limited to terrestrial use. I use mine with an Street 80F5 telescope and it works great for that.